Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is the 9th of September 2024, and we've got a fascinating lineup of stories for you. From legal battles in prediction markets to the evolving role of stablecoins and insights into blockchain strategies, there's plenty to unpack. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with a legal victory for Kalshi, a US-regulated prediction market platform. Kalshi has won a federal lawsuit against the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, allowing it to offer contracts predicting which party will control Congress after the upcoming November elections. Previously, the CFTC had blocked these contracts, labeling them as unlawful gaming. However, Judge G.M. Cobb ruled in favor of Kalshi, vacating the CFTC's prohibition order. This decision is a win for prediction market advocates, who argue these markets offer better forecasting than traditional polls. Kalshi is now poised to capitalize on the election betting boom, a market where competitor Polymarket has already seen success, despite its own regulatory challenges. The CFTC is still considering a proposed rule that could ban political event contracts altogether, highlighting the complex regulatory landscape for prediction markets in the US. Next, we delve into the growing use case for cryptocurrencies, particularly stablecoins like Circle and Paxos. These stablecoins are backed by actual dollar instruments and operate on public blockchains such as Ethereum and Solana. Historically, cryptocurrencies have been viewed with skepticism, often seen as speculative tools. However, Austin Campbell, an adjunct professor at Columbia Business School, argues that stablecoins are addressing real-world problems, especially in international money transmission. Traditional payment infrastructures often fall short, and stablecoins are emerging as a more efficient and reliable means of transferring money across borders. This shift suggests a maturation of the cryptocurrency market, moving beyond speculation to practical applications. Shifting gears, we have insights from a former team member of Zilliqa who worked there from 2018 to 2021. They shared reasons behind Zilliqa's lack of traction compared to Solana. Both are high-throughput Layer 1 blockchains, but Zilliqa's focus on enterprise projects, such as a partnership with PepsiCo, diverted resources away from developer experience during the 2019 bear market. This strategy did not yield tangible results, detracting from the public chain's value. In contrast, Solana focused on enhancing its developer experience and ecosystem, leading to greater success. The former team member concluded that Zilliqa's lack of investment in developer experience was a critical factor in its failure to gain traction. Finally, a thread by Galois Capital discusses the impact of recent changes to Twitter's algorithm on the cryptocurrency community's narrative formation. The shift has led to a fragmented attention span among users, with many engaging with the For You feed, which highlights polarizing political content. This has resulted in shorter narrative cycles in the crypto space, making it difficult for long-term ideas to gain traction. The thread notes a lack of innovative projects, leading to copycat behavior among new initiatives. It suggests that political engagement may inadvertently drive more attention to cryptocurrency, creating a feedback loop. The author advises looking for simple, high-energy investments that can capture fleeting attention, reflecting on the challenges within the crypto community amid changing social media landscapes. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we covered in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the crypto universe.